Hi everyone, we're here at SOTI Experience Day in the beautiful city of Chicago. SOTI Experience Days are a great way to connect with our customers and partners, build relationships, and share important information and updates on the solutions that help solve some of the biggest business mobility challenges. This free event enables and educates IT leaders to gain true ROI from their mobility investments. Attendees were able to partake in our SOTI Connect and SOTI Excite deep dives, hear from our leadership team, engage in valuable discussions, and participate in SOTI networking activities. Now, of course, we can't end a day of learning without a bit of fun. Our evening started with a networking dinner and then off to a casino game night. What a great time meeting with our customers and partners, providing them the latest updates on the SOTI ONE Platform, and of course, having fun throughout the event. Thank you to our valued partners and our amazing customers who helped make SOTI Experience Day a huge success.